Because that was a big... Oh, I see that over there. God. Give us some humans. There were 2 barbecues. I know. Light from over here. This is
one stop videotaping some more.
Come on. I want to stop videotaping now. I want to see the whole firework. You know, Kaylee? Explosion. 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 That's a lot. John, you seriously give us a little bit, right? And you're gonna give them a lot, right? We didn't even got a lot. I think we only got like 20. We got 20. I am. My camera open the whole time. I just see some more. They keep on like they almost give us they only give us 10 when they come back over, right? They only give us 10. That's it. I'm not gonna videotape no more if they don't come over. I think someone's coming over. Could you just hurry up? So we want fireworks too. You're getting them a lot. I bet over there they keep on videotaping and they're not even recording it, right? And we're recording. We want it so bad. The other people don't.